Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation about a late check-in and an early check-out at a hotel. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and two hotel staff members. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What did Sophie add to the breakfast bag? Was it an apple, a cookie, or a cup of coffee? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
That was a long day.
Yes, the train was so late.
2 hours late. I am very tired.
Me too. I just want to sleep.
How much longer to the hotel?
The taxi driver said about 10 minutes.
Good. It is almost midnight.
I know. Look at the time. It is 11:45.
Wait, the hotel front desk, is it open this late?
Good question. Some small hotels close the front desk at night.
Really?
Yes, I read about it before. They give you a code or a key in advance.
But our hotel did not give us a code.
That is true. So they have a 24-hour front desk, I think.
We need to be sure. Can you call them?
Yes, good idea. I will call now.
Tell them we are very late. The train was delayed.
Yes, and I will ask if the room is still ready.
Good. Sometimes hotels give the room to someone else.
Really?
Yes, some hotels do not wait. If you do not call, they may give the room to someone else.
That sounds scary.
So calling is important. Please call now.
Okay, I have the number. Here we go.
Hello, this is Erin Brown. I have a reservation for tonight.
Hello, Miss Brown. Thank you for calling. How can I help you?
Our train was very late. We are still on the way.
I see. What time will you arrive?
In about 10 minutes, so around midnight.
That is fine. The front desk is open all night.
Oh, good. I was worried.
Many guests arrive late. It is no problem at all.
Is the room still ready for us?
Yes, I can see your booking here. A double room for 2 nights.
That is right.
The room is clean and ready. Just come to the front desk when you arrive.
Thank you. One more question. Is there a late check-in fee?
No, we do not charge a late fee. If you come before tomorrow morning, the price is the same.
That is good to know. Thank you.
My name is Daniel. I will be at the front desk all night. Just ask for me.
Thank you, Daniel. We will see you soon.
Drive safely. See you in a few minutes.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Good evening. We just called. We are Erin Brown and Sam Walker.
Welcome. I remember. You made it.
Yes, thank you for waiting.
Please give me a photo ID, a passport or a driver's license.
Here is my passport.
Thank you. One moment.
Sure.
Now I need a credit card for the room.
Here you are.
Thank you. The total will be charged at checkout.
Okay.
Your room is on the 5th floor, room 508. Here is your key card.
Thank you. 2 key cards, please. My partner needs one too.
Of course. Here is the second one.
Thanks. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 6:30 to 10 in the morning. The dining room is on the 1st floor.
We may need to leave very early, maybe before 6.
I see. If you cannot eat in the dining room, we can prepare a takeaway breakfast for you.
Really? That is so nice.
Yes, it is a small bag with bread, fruit, and juice.
How do we get them?
We leave them at the front desk. You can pick them up in the morning.
Wonderful. 2 bags, please. 1 for me and 1 for my partner.
Got it. 2 breakfast bags. They will be ready in the morning.
Thank you so much.
One more thing. Do you want an express checkout?
What is that?
It means you do not stop at the front desk in the morning.
Oh, I see.
You just leave the key cards in the room. We send the bill to your email.
That sounds easy, but we may have questions in the morning. Can we still come to the desk?
Yes, of course. The morning staff will help you. Her name is Sophie.
Sophie. Got it. Thank you, Daniel. Have a good night.
Thank you. Sleep well.
Finally, we are in the room.
Yes, it looks nice. Big bed, big window.
I am too tired to enjoy it.
Same. Let me sit down.
What did the front desk say? Anything important?
Yes, a few things. The breakfast is from 6:30.
But our flight is at 7:30. We need to leave the hotel by 5:30.
I know, so no breakfast in the dining room. But Daniel can prepare a takeaway breakfast.
Oh, really? That is great.
Yes, a small bag with bread, fruit, and juice. I asked for 2.
Thank you. I will eat in the taxi.
Same. We can pick up the bags at the front desk in the morning.
Okay, what about the bill? Do we pay tomorrow morning?
We can choose. There is a thing called express checkout.
What is that?
We just leave the key cards in the room. We do not stop at the front desk.
Oh, I see.
The bill comes to our email.
That sounds fast, but I want to check the bill before we leave.
Same. So I think we should go to the front desk in the morning.
Yes, that is safer.
The morning staff is Sophie. Daniel told me her name.
Good. Then we can ask her if anything is strange.
Right.
Okay, plan. Wake up at 5.
5 o'clock? We have only 5 hours to sleep.
I know. Sleep is short tonight.
Let us pack the bags tonight. Then in the morning, just shower and go.
Smart. Let us pack first.
Yes, then sleep.
One more thing. I want to set 2 alarms.
2?
Yes, 1 on my phone, 1 on yours, just to be safe.
Good idea. I do not want to miss the flight.
Then 5 and 5:05.
Done. Now let us pack.
Good morning.
Good morning. You are up early.
Yes, we have an early flight. I am here to check out. Room 508?
508. Let me see. Is your name Sam Walker?
Yes, that is me.
Welcome. I'm Sophie. Did Daniel tell you about me?
Yes, he did. Last night was very late. Daniel was very kind.
Yes, he's great. Now I will print your bill. One moment.
Okay.
Here it is. 2 nights for the room, no minibar, no extra charges.
Wait, it says 2 nights, but we are only staying 1 night.
Oh, let me check. Yes, your booking was for 2 nights, but you are leaving today.
Right, we changed our plan. Our friend in the next city is sick. We have to leave today.
I am sorry to hear that. So this is an early checkout. Let me adjust the bill.
Will there be a fee for that?
At our hotel, no. Some hotels charge an early checkout fee. We do not.
That is good news.
One moment. Now the bill is for 1 night only. The total is $140.
Thank you. Can I see the bill?
Of course. Here you go.
Looks good. Please charge my card.
Done. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. One more thing. We asked for 2 breakfast bags last night.
Yes, they are ready. 2 bags, bread, fruit, juice, and a small bottle of water.
Wow, even water. Thank you.
You're welcome. I added an extra apple too for your trip.
That is so kind of you.
Have a safe trip. I hope your friend feels better soon.
Thank you, Sophie. We will tell our friends about this hotel.
Thank you. Please come again.
All done. Here are the breakfast bags.
Wow, they are heavy.
I know. Bread, fruit, juice, water, and an apple. Sophie added an extra apple.
That is so sweet. I love this hotel.
Same. The checkout was easy. No fee for early checkout.
Really? That is great.
Yes, some hotels charge a fee. I asked.
Good thinking. Did you check the bill?
Yes, they had 2 nights at first. I told them we are leaving today, and they fixed it.
Oh, you noticed. Good.
Yes, always check the bill. Some hotels make small mistakes.
True. Last year, I had a problem with minibar charges. I never opened the minibar.
Oh no, did they fix it?
Yes, but it took a long time, so now I always check.
Smart. Hotels are usually fine, but mistakes can happen.
Right, so always look at the bill before you sign.
I will remember that.
Look, the taxi is here.
Good timing. Let us go to the airport.
We made it. Late check-in last night, early checkout this morning.
A short stay, but a good stay.
Yes, the staff was very kind, Daniel and Sophie.
I will leave a good review online.
Me too. Let's write it on the way to the airport.
Perfect. Now, let us eat the breakfast.
Yes, please. I am hungry.
Apple first?
Bread first, apple later.
Deal.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoy these videos and would like to support the channel, please consider joining as a member. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What did Sophie add to the breakfast bag? Was it an apple, a cookie, or a cup of coffee? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. That's all for the main story. Now, this is the casual chat corner. For some time, I wanted to find a way to feel closer to all of you, so I thought it might be fun to have a small section like this at the end of each video. In this corner, I want to share my thoughts and ideas about making videos. I also want to share some personal stories. These will not be about the main story of each video. Today, I want to talk about the background music in the video. Some time ago, a viewer told me that they did not like the music in the main story, so I stopped putting music there. But I really wanted to add music again, so this time I tried adding it back. For people who do not mind, it may not feel like a big change, but for me, these small changes are really fun. So actually, I keep making small changes to my videos. If you have an idea to make this channel better, please tell me in the comments. If your idea sounds good, I want to try it. So sometimes I want to share casual chats like this. All right, that's it for today. See you tomorrow.